Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Omalila Finance Lab, your one-stop shop for financial freedom, success, and fulfillment. How are you all doing today? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're new here, I'm Badamosi Omalila, your friendly guide on this incredible financial journey. On this channel, we break down complex financial ideas into simple, actionable steps that anyone can follow, yes, even you. And today, we're diving into something absolutely game-changing, the tools that make financial success easier than ever before. And listen closely if you're serious about achieving your money goals. Stick around to the end because I've got a powerful challenge that will get you thinking, acting, and succeeding like the wealthy. So grab a pen, your favorite drink, and let's get started. But before we jump in, quick question. What's one financial goal you're working on right now? Paying off debt? Saving for something big? Drop it in the comments because sharing your goal makes you more likely to achieve it. Plus, I'd love to cheer you on. Let's win together. Let's start with the foundation of financial success, budgeting. If you don't know where your money is going, how can you control it? That's where tools like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Good Budget come in. These apps are your personal money managers, helping you create budgets, track expenses, and stay on top of your financial game. Let me break this down for you. Imagine you have $150 or $150,000 as your monthly income. With tools like Mint, you can allocate $50 or $50,000 for essentials like rent and bills, $30 or $30,000 for groceries, $20 or $20,000 for savings, and so on. The app sends you alerts when you're overspending in any category, helping you adjust and stick to your plan. But wait, it gets even better. Apps like YNAB take it a step further by encouraging you to give every naira a job. That means no idle money lying around. You're either saving, investing, or spending with purpose. Trust me, once you start using these apps, budgeting becomes less stressful and more empowering. And here's a bonus. You can sync these apps with your bank accounts for real-time updates. That way, you're always in control. No surprises. So, what's your biggest budgeting challenge? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to help you out. And don't forget, we've already done a detailed video on creating a budget that works, so check that out after this. Alright, now that we've tackled budgeting, let's talk about growing your money. Investing is how you make your money work for you, and the good news is, you don't need millions to get started. Apps like Robinhood, Bamboo, Rise, and Cowrywise allow you to invest in global stocks, real estate, and even dollar-based assets with as little as $1 or $1,000. Yes, you heard that right, $1,000. Here's a practical example. Let's say you download Bamboo. You deposit $5,000 into your account and decide to invest in a company like Apple. Bamboo gives you access to fractional shares. So even if one Apple share costs $150, about $115,000, you can still own a small piece of it with just $5,000. Over time, as Apple's value grows, so does your investment. That's how wealth building begins, small, consistent steps. And don't worry if you're not a finance expert. These apps provide beginner-friendly tools like tutorials, risk assessments, and even automated investment options that take the guesswork out of the process. What's stopping you from investing today? Fear? Lack of knowledge? Comment below, and let's talk about it. Remember, we've got a whole playlist on investment basics for beginners. Check it out to kickstart your journey. Debt can feel like a huge mountain. But guess what? With the right tools, you can climb that mountain and plant your financial freedom flag at the top. Enter Debt Payoff Planner and Tally, two amazing apps that help you create a customized plan to pay off your debts faster than you ever thought possible. No more guessing, just clear, strategic steps to financial freedom. And the best part? You stay in control every step of the way. Here's how it works. Say you have 3 debts, $50 or $50000 on a credit card, $100 or $100,000 in a personal loan, and $30 or $300,000 in unpaid bills. Debt Payoff Planner helps you prioritize these debts based on the interest rates. It might suggest paying off the credit card first because it has the highest interest, then moving to the loan, and finally the bills. The app even shows you how much money and time you'll save by sticking to the plan. Feeling overwhelmed? Start small. Use the snowball method. Focus on clearing the smallest debt first, then roll that payment into the next one. It's all about building momentum and staying motivated. Have you ever paid off a debt and felt that incredible relief? Share your story in the comments. We'd love to celebrate with you. Saving money doesn't have to be boring or stressful. With apps like PiggyVest, Quda, and Ally by Wima, you can automate your savings and watch your wealth grow effortlessly. These tools are perfect for setting goals like buying a car, paying school fees, or building an emergency fund. For instance, with PiggyVest, you can create a savings target. Let's say $500,000 or $500,000 for a new laptop. The app automatically deducts a set amount, like $5,000 or $500,000 weekly, from your account and locks it away. Before you know it, you've hit your goal without even feeling the pinch. Want to save faster? Try the Safe Lock feature on PiggyVest. It locks your money for a set period, and you earn higher interest rates than regular savings accounts. And if you prefer flexibility, Quda's Spend and Save feature helps you save a percentage of every transaction. Buy groceries? Save 5%. Pay for data? Save another 5%. Ally by Wima also has cool features like goal-based savings, group savings, and even personal loans to help you stay on track. No matter your savings style, there's an app that fits your goals perfectly. What are you saving for right now? Share your goals in the comments, and let's cheer each other on. Finally, let's talk about mindset. You can't achieve financial success without the right mindset, and that's where journaling comes in. Tools like the Think Rich Mindset Journal help you track your habits, set goals, and rewire your thinking for success. Every morning, write down one financial goal. Maybe it's spending less on takeout or saving an extra $2,000 or $2,000 this week. Then, write an action to achieve that goal. At the end of the week, review your journal to see what worked and what didn't. Over time, this simple habit builds discipline and clarity. Pair your journaling with affirmations. For example, write, "I am disciplined with money. My wealth is growing every day." Repeating these affirmations rewires your brain for success. And don't just write it, say it out loud every morning. Speaking your goals with confidence reinforces your belief and keeps you motivated. What's one affirmation or financial goal you'd write in your journal? Share it below. Now, here's your challenge. Write down 5 daily habits that align with your Think Rich mindset. Implement them this week and comment below to share your progress. Your habits could include tracking expenses, automating savings, or reading financial articles daily. Whatever helps you think and act like the wealthy. Don't forget to BOOP that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss our value-packed videos. Got questions or ideas for a topic? Drop them in the comments. I'll make it happen just for you. Remember, we're here to grow together. And hey, sharing is caring. If you found this video helpful, send it to a friend or family member who needs a little financial boost. Let's spread the knowledge and build wealth together. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, financial success is not a dream, it's a choice. Until next time, keep dreaming big, thinking rich, and working smart. And hey, before you go, take one small step toward your financial goals today, whether it's saving a little extra, paying down debt, or learning something new. Every step counts. Bye for now.